Imagine you're in a magical kitchen where exciting transformations happen every day. Just like a wizard turning ordinary things into extraordinary ones, our world is full of changes too. But not all changes are the same. Some are like simple costume changes, while others are like magical makeovers that transform things completely. So, hello everyone, my name is Kriti, and today let's dive into the magical world of changes. Quickly hit the like and subscribe button so that we get started. And now, first of all, let's understand what exactly is a change. Change होता क्या है? So, a change is a process which alters one or more properties of a substance, and we observe a lot of changes around us. But as I mentioned earlier, not all changes are the same. सारे changes same नहीं होते. Some of them are physical changes while others are chemical changes. So let's get started with physical changes. Physical changes are like when your favorite superhero changes costumes. So it's like a simple costume change. Underneath, they are still the same hero, just wearing something different. Similarly, in the world of matter, physical changes are basically like changing appearances of something without actually altering what it truly is. So we can say a change that alters physical properties of a substance is called a physical change. इसे क्या कहते हैं? Physical change. So shape, size, physical state, color, hardness, rigidity, or you can say fluidity, all are physical properties. Imagine you have a big block of clay. You can squeeze it, shape it, or even break it into smaller pieces. No matter what you do with it, it's still clay, right? So just like changing your hairstyle or your clothes, the clay's appearance is basically what is changing, but it's still clay. Now, generally, physical changes are reversible in nature. Generally, वो reversible होते हैं, but not always. So let's do one thing. Let's look at these two examples that we have over here. Example number 1, cutting a paper. And example number 2, melting of ice. Now, both are physical changes, right? But cutting of paper, it's an irreversible physical change, while melting of ice is very much reversible, as you can see over here. Now, what's common? What's common is that in both these cases, no new substance is formed. That's why we are saying physical changes hai. Melting of butter, boiling of water. These are some more examples of physical changes. तो जैसे मैंने आपको बताया physical changes, कोई नया substance नहीं बनेगा, but at the same time आप ये देखना कि कुछ reversible होते हैं, कुछ irreversible होते हैं. Okay? जरूरी नहीं है कि सारे reversible हों. Now, let's talk about chemical changes. क्या था? Magical makeover of the matter world, right? Now, these changes, that is chemical changes, are like, a plain pumpkin turning into sparkling carriage in fairy tales. हम देखते हैं ना, कुछ अलग सा magic हो रहा है. So, chemical changes are magical transformations where one thing becomes something entirely new. Think of baking cookies. You mix flour, sugar, and butter. And when you bake them, they turn into something completely different. Delicious cookies, right? The ingredients undergo a magical change, creating, a treat basically that's way yummier than the sum of its parts. Individually, biscuits इतने tasty नहीं है जो finally आप note करोगे. Let's say biscuit से cake बना दिया आपने. तो वो जो cake है वो of course it's going to be better, right? Or consider how a seed grows into a blooming flower. It's like a magical transformation again. So here, a change that alters the chemical properties of a substance is known as a chemical change. So odor, acidity, reactivity, stability, ये सारी जो properties हैं, ये chemical properties हैं. Generally, chemical changes are irreversible in nature. Chemical changes जो हैं वो irreversible होते हैं. But again, exceptions are always there in chemistry. Let's first look at some of the examples that we have of chemical changes. ठीक है? So here we have bursting of crackers, so firecrackers, a ripening of a fruit. In both these cases, a new substance is being formed with entirely different properties. है ना? So both are chemical changes for sure. And they both are irreversible as well. We cannot get back the starting material. But let's say I talk about charging and discharging of batteries. Now this is a reversible chemical change. ओके, सो देयर आर एग्जांपल्स जहाँ पे आप नोट करोगे कि केमिकल चेंज रिवर्स हम कर सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ बेसिकली लेट्स डू वन थिंग बिफोर आई क्लोज. लेट्स समराइज द डिफरेंस. तो हमारे जो फिजिकल चेंजेस होते हैं वहां पे फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज एक सब्सटेंस की जो है वो चेंज होती है. केमिकल चेंजेस में केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज चेंज होती है एंड कोई नया सब्सटेंस बन जाता है विद एंटायरली डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टीज. फिजिकल चेंजेस जनरली रिवर्सिबल होते हैं, मतलब आप वापस से स्टार्टिंग मटेरियल तक पहुंच सकते हैं. केमिकल चेंजेस हमारे इरिवर्सिबल होते हैं, मतलब स्टार्टिंग मटेरियल तक पहुंचना मुश्किल हो जाता है. बट अगेन नॉट ऑलवेज, एक्सेप्शंस हमारे पास हमेशा हमेशा रहेंगे. ओके, सो वेदर इट्स अ सिंपल चेंज ऑफ कॉस्ट्यूम जिसको हम फिजिकल चेंज कहते हैं, और अ ग्रैंड मैजिकल मेकओवर जिसे हम केमिकल चेंज कह रहे हैं, आवर वर्ल्ड इज ऑलवेज चेंजिंग फॉर श्योर एंड सरप्राइजिंग अस विद दीज मैजिकल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस. Now, if you've enjoyed watching this video, तो आप फटाफट से quickly hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such content. तो फटाफट से like कर देंगे वीडियो को, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेंगे ताकि ऐसे वीडियोस हम बार बार देखते रहें, कोई भी मिस आउट ना करे सेशन. एंड ऑल्सो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन मेंशन योर फेवरेट केमिकल चेंज. सो आई एम वेटिंग फॉर सम मैजिकल आंसर्स in the comment section. Don't forget to mention your favorite chemical change. Thank you so much for watching. See you super soon. Take care and bye-bye.